and fellow hobbyists, welcome to Car Dreams in Stereo. Today I'm gonna wear my Model Car Minion Appreciation shirt. Hi Steven. And this week we're gonna start a brand new build. It's called a 32 Aviator. First, as always, the wriggle! This week we start a brand new build, and it's all about the marriage between a 32 Ford and a BMW 801 radial engine out of a FW190 airplane, World War II airplane from the German Luftwaffe. So we start right away this week, show some footage from this beautiful power plant, the 801. The BMW 801D had a MW50 unit, which allowed the motor to increase the performance for about 10 minutes. But how many horsepower had the BMW 801D with activated MW50? The answer in the river. It seems we're at the end of our little Saturday morning show. We hope you enjoyed the time with us. I hope you tune in next Saturday. But now, as always, love and friendship, something you can't buy. Respect all people. Keep the hobby alive. See you next Saturday, folks.